Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and save email templates on ConvertKit so you can send professional and consistent emails every time. First, log into your ConvertKit account and go to the Send tab from the top menu. Then click on Email Templates. Next, click the New Template button. ConvertKit gives you a few starter layouts to choose from. You can pick one or start from scratch. Now, customize your email design. Add your logo, change the background color, adjust font styles, and include any sections you want, like a greeting, main content, and footer. To make your emails more engaging, add personalization tags, such as your subscriber's first name. You can do this by clicking the plus icon and choosing the tag you want. When your template looks perfect, give it a name, something easy to recognize, and click Save. This will make it available for all your future broadcasts or sequences. To use your Save template, just create a new broadcast or sequence email and select your custom template from the drop-down before sending. And that's it. You've just created and saved your own email template in ConvertKit. This makes your emails look consistent, saves time, and keeps your branding strong. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more ConvertKit guides.